Hi, good day. So today we're going to be starting our series on calculus. There are two types of calculus. It's differential calculus and integral calculus. We're only going to be focusing on differential calculus as that is the syllabus for grade 12 mathematics, right? So to start off with calculus, we're going to be starting off with limits, right? And just a bit of background as to what it is that we're trying to achieve with calculus. Usually for any area to calculate, we've been working with areas of triangles, areas of rectangles, and these are simple areas to calculate as these are just length times breadth, or you have half base times height, right? Very simple areas to calculate. But let's say, for example, if we want to calculate the area of an unknown shape, let's say, for example, we have a velocity time graph, and to calculate the area inside, that would give us the distance, right? So let's say we have a car that drives in the function of a parabola, slowly increasing and then slowly decreasing the speed, and then going all the way until they stop, right? Calculus will show us exactly what we can use to calculate the distance of this parabola shape, and that's the area inside, right? I do recommend you looking up on whether the mathematicians that were involved in developing calculus, as this will give you a better understanding as to what it is that you're trying to achieve with calculus. Namely, one of the things that you can do with calculus is calculate the gradient at the tangent of the curve. Okay, so let's start at the point. So like I said, we're going to be starting off with limits, right? And to calculate the limit of a given expression, all we have to do is substitute the limit of x tending to 2. We substitute 2 into x in the expression. So let's do that, right? So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, right? So as the limit of x tending to 2 for x plus 4, the limit is equal to 6, right? Okay, so let's try another example. The limit of x tending to 10 for x squared minus 100 divided by x minus 10. Let's check what the limit approaches. So let's plug in the equation. We have 10 squared minus 100 divided by 10 minus 10, right? This is going to give us 100 minus 100 divided by 10 minus 10. And we're going to get a infinite value, 0 divided by 0, right? And that usually indicates to us that we did something incorrect, right? So what I recommend doing is to first simplify the equation. First break it down into the factors, and that will allow you to simplify the equation, right? So we can see that is a factor that we can break down, right? Which is the difference of squares, and that is x plus 10, x minus 10, right, divided by x minus 10. And we can see that these two factors can be cancelled out, right? And what we'll be left with is x plus 10, right? So like we said, as the limit of x plus 10 for this given expression, all we need to do is substitute 10 into x, and what we'll have is 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20, right? So let's recap, right? Firstly, to solve our limit equation, we can substitute our limit into the expression for x, right? If we get any infinite values or undefined values, what we can do is simplify the equation, namely breaking down wherever we see there are factors that we can break down. We can do that, cancel out any values that can be cancelled out, and then substituting the limit into the equation, and that would give you your final answer. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.